free fuel for bikinis. Then men showed up. Marketing gone wrong. It started as an ordinary day at a gas station somewhere in Russia, the kind of place where people pulled in without a second thought, filled their tanks, and drove off into their routines. But that morning, something unusual appeared on a large banner outside the station. A bold, attention grabbing offer that promised a completely free, full tank of fuel to anyone who showed up wearing a bikini. At first glance, it seemed like a typical marketing stunt, the kind designed to create a little buzz, attract attention, and maybe bring in a specific crowd. The idea was simple, maybe even predictable. A flashy promotion aimed at women, hoping to turn heads and get people talking. And it worked, just not in the way anyone expected. At the beginning, a few curious onlookers gathered, reading the banner again and again, making sure they understood it correctly. Free fuel was no small thing, especially at a time when prices felt like they were constantly climbing. Some people laughed it off, assuming it was just a gimmick that wouldn't go far. But then someone noticed something interesting. The sign didn't mention anything about gender. It didn't say women only. It didn't set any clear boundaries. It simply said, wear a bikini, get a free tank. That tiny detail changed everything. It didn't take long for the idea to spread. A couple of guys, probably joking at first, decided to test the limits of the offer. They showed up wearing bikinis, awkwardly at first, laughing among themselves, not entirely sure how the staff would react. But to everyone's surprise, the employees honored the deal. No arguments, no hesitation. A rule was a rule, and technically, they were following it. That's when things started to escalate. Word spread quickly not just among locals, but across social media. Photos began to circulate, men standing proudly next to their cars, dressed in bright, mismatched bikinis, some pairing them with jackets, others going all out with sunglasses, wigs, and even high heels. What started as a marketing stunt was quickly turning into a full blown spectacle. More and more people arrived, not just for the free fuel, but to be part of something hilarious, unexpected, and strangely unforgettable. The gas station, which was probably expecting a controlled and somewhat predictable turnout, suddenly found itself surrounded by a crowd unlike anything they had planned for. Laughter filled the air, phones were out recording every moment, and the line of cars kept growing. Each new arrival tried to outdo the last, some showing up in over the top outfits, others striking poses as if they were on a runway instead of a fuel station forecourt. For the employees, it must have been surreal. One moment they were handling a routine promotion, and the next they were at the center of a viral phenomenon. There was no clear rule to stop it, no clause to fall back on. The loophole was real, and people were taking full advantage of it. But as quickly as it all began, it started to become overwhelming. The crowd grew too large, the attention too intense. What was meant to be a short lived promotional stunt had spiraled into something far bigger than anyone had anticipated. Within just a few hours, the decision was made to shut it down. The banners came down, the offer ended, and the station slowly returned to normal. But the internet had already done its job. Photos and videos from that day spread like wildfire, turning the event into one of those rare moments where reality feels stranger than fiction. People across the world watched, laughed, and shared the story, amazed at how a simple oversight, just a few missing words, could completely flip the outcome of an entire campaign. In the end, it wasn't just about free fuel or a clever promotion, it became a perfect example of how unpredictable people can be when given the chance, and how the internet loves nothing more than taking things literally. What was meant to be a controlled marketing move turned into a legendary backfire, one that proved sometimes the smallest detail can make the biggest difference.